What's going on, everybody? We got an unboxing today. Let me put it the right side. Oh, it doesn't matter. Both sides. The Mavic Air Fly More Combo. Boom. But you know what they say, out with the old and in with the new. Ooh, baby, what do we got here? Now, because I'm doing this outside in a park, I can't bring my big old knife. Kind of scare people. They might think I'm trying to do something crazy, especially to Margarita over there. So I brought my safety knife that once you like start to cut it, it goes away. Fun. Oh, baby. Bum, bum, bum. Probably did this upside down, didn't I? Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Something's going on right now. It's raining really heavy above us. So I'm going to have to stop this here now. We're going to have to head home or somewhere indoor and finish off this video. So we'll continue on in a minute. For you, it'll only be like a second. I would have loved to have done this outside, but it's pouring. It's not stopping. So we have to come inside. The Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. So today is not going to be about the Mavic Air versus the Mavic Air 2. That'll be another video. Today is just an unboxing. We're going to do this together. Haha. So the sniff test can actually be done from here. Wow. It's very, very plasticky. As soon as I open that box, I can smell the plastic in here. Manuals and propellers. Wow, it's got a very strong, very, very strong smell. And not like a leather smell, very plasticky. So a small little compartment in the front. Nice shoulder strap and side strap actually. I'll get to that in a sec. Let's open up here first. Teasing you, I know. Cables. No, blades and blades. The manual. Got that aside, so I guess now we can get to it. There it is. So another compartment up top here. Wow, I can't get over how bad this bag smells. 2 controller sticks. I guess this would be your extra little pieces. Assuming will be the filters. Nice and small. And it's pretty neat that they included in there. Definitely the filters. Other charging cables. And this is just your, so it's got the power bank to attach to the battery and then 2 USB ports. So I guess you can use your battery, just like from the Mavic Air, but you can use the battery to supply charge to other items. Charge your phone up, let's say, you can use that. So again, a lot of the settings and all that kind of stuff, I'm not gonna go, this is just complete unboxing. I don't wanna fill up this video with just so much inundated stuff, just pure unboxing. So that's not what you're looking for. Unboxing, then I apologize, you know, catch me in the next one. But if you just want to see the unboxing, then you've come to the right place. This must be the charging box. Yep. Battery 1, battery 2. And also just a sidebar note here, in case you don't know, when you do receive your drone for the first time, do an IMU calibration. Definitely a must. That thing has shipped over from China to here in Canada or USA, wherever you are. It's taken a beating. It's been flip-flopping around in there. It's simple to do, and I'll go through that too, either in this video or another video. The controller and some gel. I need some hair gel. My hair is a mess with this COVID. I've not had a haircut, just like most people, in almost 3 months. Oh, it's silica gel. It's not, do not eat. Throw it away. All right, I'll take care of that after. The controller, it's big and heavy. And if you're coming from the older remotes, that's probably the first impression everyone's gonna be talking about, how much bigger this is. Pull it up and there you go. And there's the cables underneath. So obviously the Apple connector is already there because as they say somewhere in the box, made for Apple, but it does work for Android. Definitely different shape too. Seem very solid. Looks like a heat sink on the back here. Nice grip though. What is this? Power bank. This is what I was talking about with that charging piece. So if you have your battery, connect it to there, and then now your battery becomes a power to the USB ports. So you can charge up one battery, or you can then use the power bank and then charging your 1, 2, 3 batteries. All right, we're getting there, we're getting there. Here it is, what you've all come here for. Ta-da! It's actually fairly light. Like I know I said from the start that I'm not going to do a Mavic 1 to Mavic 2 comparison, but it's just hard to really compare compare this because the body is completely different. You know, the other one was available in the colors and this one is not. All right, and unfolding, can't really take these arms out. If I were to pull this arm down, it hits the back leg. So you gotta spin the legs out, then unfold it. So there's the two sensors in the back, air vents on the sides, sensors on the front, and then you got the two sensors on the bottom, plus the LED light. If you look at it this way, it looks like a sand shark. If you look at that nose tip, I don't know. And now the gimbal. So it says to open this, push this tab out, comes off fairly easy. There's the new camera. The Mavic Air one, I really liked it on the original Mavic. It went on so easy and off. So that's it. Again, this was just a complete unboxing. I got everything out. I let those batteries charge, and I guess that's really it for now. That was the unboxing, the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Everything that you see here, 3 batteries in total. Bag, the bag, filters. Pretty good value for that. So there you go. There's the unboxing for the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. Follow again for the next video where I will compare it to the Mavic Air, which it should be. It shouldn't really be comparable to the Mavic Mini or the Mavic Pro. Thanks for watching. Quick unboxing. We'll catch you in the next one.